This is our pre-examination setup and disinfectant. Inside of the bag, I have placed 2 pieces of tape that I fold over in a triangle form. These 2 pieces of tape will allow you to tape your trash bag onto your station so that you can properly dispose of items throughout your examination. In this bag, we have some items that must be labeled: our EPA, hand sanitizer, and our water bottle. I chose a 1-gallon bag to hold all my materials. Inside, I also have a quart-size bag and a sandwich-size bag. For this section, you will have 10 minutes to unpack your general supplies. You will be informed when you have 5 minutes remaining. Alright, some key features for this video will be: we want to properly dispose of waste and materials at all times. Ensure the workstation remains sanitary. Ensure draping is maintained throughout service. Replace contaminated items. Ensure containers remain closed when not in use. Kit remains sanitary. And we want to avoid cross-contamination. As always, we want to sanitize our hands first. We want to sanitize our workstation using EPA, making sure that our bottles are pre-labeled. We want to ensure that we not only spray our table, but our chairs, and we're going to also clean our mirror prior to putting our things on the station. So in this portion, that nice little piece of tape that I showed you guys to place inside of your bag, we're going to pull that tape apart and go ahead and put our trash bag on our station so that it is ready for us to place our contaminated items. Remember, as you're placing your items on your station, you want to make sure that they're easily accessible for you for the duration of the test, and that you have plenty of napkins, paper towels ready to go. When you are complete, you want to step back and raise your hand to be graded.